Hello fellow kitzunes, my name is Kitzu. So I decided to check out some VTuber programs on Steam. I knew about some of these programs back in early 2020, but I liked the tools to use them. Now that I have the tools, I decided to check a program called VTuber Editor and VTuber Maker. These programs are good for beginner VTubers, but to use more functions, it requires you to pay. So without further ado, here's my tutorial. So to start off, you go to VTuber Editor. So that's pretty much where you start. Both these programs are pretty much the same thing, except that one is Editor and the other one is Maker. So create an account and then log in. In order to use this program, you need to create an account. So I decided to make one. So once you open VTuber Maker, you are greeted with this right here. So you got your avatar right here, and the bad thing about this is that you can only put just one avatar in there. Okay, so we're gonna call it Kitzu, and then select the second version, which is the one I'm currently using, except that this one has blend shapes. It's gonna be a lot of loading screens here. Okay, and this is pretty exciting here. Everything looks exactly kind of like BUP. So you got your all expressions right here, and everything might not be okay here. It's not like gonna be the same thing here, but you also got premium. We're not gonna go into that, but it pretty much has everything that BUP had to offer there. But for BUP is free, but this one you have to pay for everything. So yeah, there's not much you can show here, but you can see the examples right here on what the things do, like all these animations, in case if you're stuck and don't know what it does. And you also got your paint right here as well, so you can select what you want and then just click right here. You can select the size, adjust the size, and rotation, opacity right here. You can even select color, make this red, click the Chinese letters right here, and then gonna put a tier right there. So yeah, there's all that stuff. And the best thing about this is that you also got props. You got the cattail right there, it's on the head, so you gotta choose where you want these props at. So we can go with the back. Why is my back on fire? It's the tail. The tail is on fire. So there's these things right here. So special effects. We're gonna turn off the special effects for this right here. And then we can also grab ears. People have been calling me a kitty this entire time, so I can finally have ears. People will call me kitty the entire time in my streams. And then you got more. You guys see the shoulders right here. Wait, this looks cool. Wait, this looks nice right here. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Oh wow, that looks really good. I can actually be a fairy. It's actually pretty cool. You can be a fairy here, but sadly they did not go in there. Sadly, all these things right here, there's not much to do here. You can even add the sound in there. You got the behaviors right here, keyboard. That's pretty much all there is. You can add the sounds in there, and yep, that's me clicking it. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And once you're done, that's when you click on upload to the cloud. So yeah, just not much right here. You gotta wait for it. Alright, avatar has been uploaded successfully. So now you go back here. Then you got your live room right here. You got all these things right here that you can use. You got all these rooms here. You gotta click and drag, and you get all these rooms right here. So everything here are pretty much backgrounds. So we can go to this one right over here, and then there you go. This is a room that you can use for your avatar. So you can add more backgrounds here. You got your backgrounds. You got a large variety of backgrounds to choose from. You can become a virtual pop star if you like. But nope. If you want to delete it, there's a trash can right here. Select the trash can to delete it. You also got your objects as well. These are room assets, 2D assets that you can actually add in there. I can add a pumpkin right here. That's too big. That's way too big. That almost jump scared me. I don't know who has a pumpkin on the bed. This fox does. And you can upload your custom objects as well. You can upload your custom objects. You can go to animation objects as well. All these things have animations. No, again, I don't have to tell you to subscribe right here. I don't have to add something to subscribe. You can just subscribe right there. You can just let people know to subscribe the whole entire video. You got an entire table with a Switch and a freaking Acer laptop right there. That's pretty neat. That's a set that I would definitely like to have. And then once you're done, of course, you put upload to the cloud. So everything you do here, you pretty much are editing. Then you go to the flow right here. What the flow is, what is the flow? Well, we'll put Kitzu flow. So for the flow, I pretty much do not fully understand what all this is. Pretty much it seems to be like a trigger and a behavior right here. So you got your behaviors right here, and these are all the actions that will perform, and these right here will be the triggers for these behaviors right here. So that's pretty much what this is, but sadly the flow does not work because you have to like pay for them. So I'm not gonna show that much because it's not really necessary. Let's say I put this on off shift, I put play right here. She'll start making those idle animations, but then I press this and this cue, she starts dancing. So that was like pretty much the action trigger that I just did right there. So now moving on to VTuber Maker is pretty much exactly the same thing. You just gotta start it and make an account, and then you're greeted with this right here. So let me change the cameras here really quick. Okay, so you need to put display cam with this cam feed on, and then it'll show your face right over here on this side of the screen. It'll turn on your camera if you didn't had it on for any reason, and then you can calibrate it, you know, keep your face straight and just like calibrate it, keep it on that position, and there you go. It comes with lead motion and tracking and all, but you know it's locked. You have to pay, and then you go over, and then you know you got all these other options right here. You know, hide interface. I don't want to hide the interface. You get a whiteboard, which I'm not sure what it does because you have to pay, of course. Then you got your quick action panel right here. You got your idle animations here. That's pretty much like a dance right there. Then you got their second idle, which is the chat one. Then you got that waving. You got waving as well. You got this right here, the OK sign, thumbs up. You also got like a lot of characters in here as well. So there are some characters you can use here for free, and there's the, you know, you can be a Neko girl right here. Yeah, everybody has, they all have their own characters here. You know, you can be a demon girl. Yeah, you know, oh crap, this is like too sexy right here. You also got like, you can be a Neko, you can be a freaking cat, a kitty. It's pretty neat right here. What is this? Holy crap, what the heck is this? I don't know what the heck this is, and it's not even moving my mouth. Oh no, it's moving my mouth right now. Yeah, some of the characters also come with like a cute chibi style as well. You know, you can see this chibi style, and you can also wink. You can wink by just winking. You also got your different effects right here. What was this? No, you can look like a drawing, manga style. You got this, whatever this is. You got this, you know, watery style. That's pretty neat. You got like all these different animations here as well. The idols. You know, you can sit down. So you can start VTubing with any of these characters. Just watch out for the icons right here because these are copyright, so you don't want to get a strike or anything. So you got your rooms from before. This is a room that I uploaded before, but you have to pay. You really have to pay for everything here. You cannot really do the cool stuff on this program unless you pay. But you know, you got your own studio right here, which is pretty neat. Look at me. I'm a kitty cat. I got a waifu figure behind me. Got the waifu portraits. Got a computer back here. This is this is too much. This is just like a room only one can dream of right here. You can even put the kitty to dance, which is always pretty fun to make everybody dance. Look how cute it is. It's like pretty fun right here. Oh, and I uploaded Kitzu as well, so you know I can also stream as myself right here. And there you go. I am right here. I'm standing right here. I can put myself as an icon right here. But that's all, folks. Yeah, that's pretty much all this program has to offer. I mean, everything else requires payment here, so you know, we can check out how much you require to pay on this. So it takes you to this website right here, Live 3D. So the basics is pretty much what I'm using right now, so it's completely free. Then you got the light suit, and then you got the pro suit. It tells you all the things you're gonna be using, and it tells you right here $3.9 a month. So does that mean you pay $3.99 a month? I'm not really sure. But yeah, I haven't really tried it yet, so yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much all this program has to pretty much do right now. So yeah, so that's it for this tutorial. Feel free to leave a comment down below if this was helpful to you, and if you'd like to know more. I was very excited at first after seeing all the cool things this program can do, but so far this is just the free version, so it seems to have more potential, but only if you pay, which is something not many of us really want to do because we are broke. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to poke that like and subscribe button. Share with your friends. Feel free to follow me in my other social media, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care of yourselves, guys. See you later.